You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to recover deleted voicemails on your iPhone. First, open your phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. Scroll to the very bottom of your voicemail list. Look for a link that says deleted messages and tap it. This folder stores voicemails you have deleted for up to 30 days. Before they are permanently erased, you will see a list of all recently deleted voicemails here. Find the one you want to recover. Next to each message, you will see an Undelete button. Tap this button for the specific voicemail you wish to restore. The message will immediately be moved back to your main voicemail inbox. If you do not see a deleted messages folder, it may mean your carrier does not support this feature or the 30-day window has passed, in which case the voicemail is permanently gone. For important voicemails, consider saving them permanently by tapping the share icon next to the message and saving the audio file to your Files app or an external service. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.